You do not want to shoot a rock with your spear gun, because if you do, you'll scare the fish, ruin your spear, and it takes forever to pull it back out, sort of like an underwater Excalibur. Shooting this fish might have been the greatest accomplishment of my entire life. For years, I've tried and failed to catch one. A big school of them lives near my house, but they're extremely smart. They know that I want to catch them, and so they almost never come within range. And I don't blame them. It's understandable that they don't want to get shot and eaten, but still, it can be mildly frustrating. Aside from this one time, 6 months ago, almost 100 feet deep, I haven't had a chance to catch another one. Until today, I've got a clear shot on one. But like that other fish, I know that if I pull the trigger, my spear will get stuck in the rock behind it, which is not ideal. On the other hand, this is a rare opportunity that might be worth the trouble. And so I say f it and pull the trigger. But somehow, I miss the fish. And then I spend the rest of the day trying to pull my spear out of a rock 90 feet deep.